Now I'm going to demonstrate how you can create your own virtual humans. This software is called Character Creator. It's produced by Reallusion. The plugin that I'm using is called Headshot. You may or may not need to do this, but I figured I would demonstrate it as well. If I choose the Pro mode, then I can select an image and import it into Character Creator, and it will generate a character that matches my facial features. So this is ideal for easily creating highly realistic avatars, especially if you want them to represent real people. So if we go ahead and we wait for the avatar to be generated, you can see that there's a content window, there's a headshot window on your left, and then there's a few different tools on your right that I'll get into momentarily. It does take a minute. You can export these characters sometimes with motion as FBX files that can be imported into Unity and into a variety of other softwares such as Maya, Blender, Unreal, etc. So let's go ahead and see the results. So I can rotate around the character, look at those lovely sculpted abs, zoom in on the face, you can see that it pretty closely resembles mine. Let's go ahead and give this character some clothes so this video isn't too scandalous. There we go, t-shirt. Now let's go ahead and add some hair to the character, and I just chose one of the default styles. I am aware this doesn't look much like my hair. Now, part of this that is perhaps most important is the morph feature, which enables you to adjust the AI-generated character, which allows you to adjust the features of the AI-generated character to more closely resemble a real person, if that is of interest. So you can see that there are a variety of checkboxes for all these different parts of the character's anatomy, and you can see that if you go ahead and click on any one of them, there's like 15 different things for the ear, the nose, the eye, and you can apply those changes in pretty much real time. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate a few of those, and then that will conclude the tutorial. There is a video link that will show you in greater detail how to perform these refinements after you have a character generated. Now here's a character that I created with Character Creator for, again based on the same image that I then imported to Unity. Like Victor, this character is connected to Faceware Studio. The facial motions will match mine. So let me get Faceware Studio started. Now that I've calibrated the neutral pose, it's tracking my facial features. I'll pull up the character again and hit play, and you can see that as my face moves, the character's face moves in real time. There are two other pieces of software from Faceware called Analyzer and Retargeter, which perform the same steps but from video recordings rather than in real time, and I hope to make a video featuring those later. Now let's explore the scene a bit. You have the character that I've created, which has Faceware attached to it. You will notice that there's something called an expression set. I will link a video that explains how to create an expression set for a character. Right now I'm just going through the materials to show you all of the components associated with this character in Unity. You won't need to generate all of these yourself. Most of them will be automatically generated. I just think it's valuable to show you what goes into creating a character like this one. So the expression set, as I think I said before, maps the facial expressions of your actor or real person to the facial expressions of the character, and you can see how there are different elements that make up an expression and how they're linked to different features on the character. So that concludes my video tutorials. I hope you enjoyed. Please check out the videos that I've linked, which will provide explanations in greater detail than I could ever hope. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.